Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Its low profile allows it to clean under furniture with ease, meaning you don't have to. With its dual rotating brushes and superior suction, it makes keeping your home clean that much easier. Its wide array of sensors means that it can automatically avoid all obstacles in its path. And its edge detection technology prevents it from falling off high surfaces. It features additional modes such as edge cleaning mode, timed cleaning mode, and small room mode. And once it has finished cleaning, it will automatically return to its dock and charge. It's simple, straightforward, and easy to use. So why wait? Get yours today.